everyone, I'm Dr. Jenna Lee Jameson, owner of Hometown Dental in Okotoks, Alberta. We just wanted to give you a quick video that would show you how a new patient exam and cleaning appointment works in our office. We had some requests after we did our video on a kid's visit. So it's a little bit condensed just for the video's sake, so it might be a little bit different for you when you come in based on what you need, but you'll just have a general idea of what to expect when you come in, and hopefully you enjoy it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. Thanks.
Hello.
Hi.
Is this Dion?
Yes.
Well, welcome to the office, Dion.
Thank you.
Just going to have you do your new patient forms here on the iPad. And
Okay.
when you're done, just bring it back to me.
Wonderful, thank you.
Dion?
Yes.
Hi, come on back.
Oh, great. Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm doing really well.
Good. So my name is Kim. I'm going to be helping Dr. Jameson out today, okay?
Okay.
Come on in. All right. So we're going to be tackling a new patient exam for you, and then you're going to head over to the hiding chair afterwards.
Okay.
Do you have any concerns going on?
Not at all. It's
No?
just my regular checkup.
Perfect. Sounds good. So we're going to start off with a series of x-rays, okay?
Okay.
So I'm just gonna slide this guy on ya. Yeah, we're gonna start out with those bite wing x-rays, okay? And those ones are the ones that we see in between your teeth.
Okay.
Perfect. How was that? Not too bad?
Actually, really good.
Perfect.
Sometimes they're pinchy, but that wasn't at all.
All right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a couple in the front, okay?
Okay.
So let's get this guy off you.
Okay.
So next what we're gonna do, we're gonna take what's called a panoramic x-ray.
Okay.
And that's one of those big ones that spin all the way around your head. Have you ever had one of those before?
Years ago.
Okay, so these x-rays are good because it kind of shows a generalized picture of your entire mouth. Shows your sinuses and your TMJ joints, which is awesome. So I'm just gonna go run back and get that set up for us, and then I'll come back and grab you, okay?
Okay, wonderful.
Awesome.
Thank you.
All right, Dion, so just right this way.
Okay.
And we're just gonna be right in here, but I'm going to put this lead apron on you, and I'll just get you to turn around. I will put it onto your back. So go right in the center of that machine, and I'll get you to hold onto these handlebars for me. And I'm just gonna bring it down. So that is lined up perfectly with your mouth here. There we go. And I'm just gonna get you to step in a little bit. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your front teeth just at the very tip of this bite block for me. Go ahead. Awesome, just like that. That's perfect. Awesome. All right, let me just get a couple things lined up here. And I'm just gonna slightly close these around your head. Perfect. All right, Dion, so as I explained earlier, what's gonna happen is these two big guys are gonna spin around your head for about 10 seconds. And the only thing that you're gonna do for me today is just put your tongue to the roof of your mouth, okay? And we'll get So I'm just gonna bib you up here, okay?
Okay.
And I'm gonna go get Dr. Jameson and we'll get your checkup on the go, okay?
Okay, wonderful.
Awesome. All right, Dion. So on your right hand side is Dr. Jameson.
Hi, how are you today?
Good, how are you
Jelly, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, so we're just gonna do your full checkup here before Delaney cleans your teeth.
Okay.
Kim said there was really no concerns happening today.
Not at all.
Perfect. Okay, so we're just gonna do general overview, go over all your X-rays, and we might take a couple of photos if we need to.
Okay.
Everything looks really good, Dion. Let's sit you up and you can go through the X-rays with me and we can have a look at everything. Okay. All right. So these were the bite wing X-rays that you and Kim took here.
Okay.
This is your right side. So we are always just checking in between the teeth. What I'm looking for is dark shadows. I'm checking your fillings you already have, making sure they're sealed and everything looks good. And on that side, I'm pretty happy with everything. And then finally, we took an X-ray that went around your head. So we're able to check your sinuses at the top here, looking at your TMJ joints, making sure they're all good, and then we, on younger children, can check for missing teeth, but yours are gone already. So in all, everything is looking good on my end, Dion. I don't have any concerns.
Hi Dion, so my name's Delaney. I'm going to be doing your cleaning for you today.
Okay.
So any areas of concern in there at all?
It's a little bit sensitive on this side, but other than that, we're good.
Sensitive when cleaning, hots and colds?
Just more when you're cleaning.
Okay. We'll just slip that on you there. So we do have a little gel that we can slip on in that area there. Just
Okay.
kind of numbs the area so it prevents any sensitivity from bugging you at all in there. It's just kind of a short term, doesn't last long. By the time you leave, the numbness will be gone in there if
Okay.
you want.
Yeah, that sounds great. Thank
Okay. And would you like your glasses or sunglasses?
you. You know what? It's going to be a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do sunglasses.
Okay. Swap it here. Alright, so just gonna shine a light on here. Is that okay there for ya? Awesome. Alright, so just gonna start up top here. Alright, so just gonna put this numbing gel down on the bottom left here. So it just kind of squeezes on there. Alright, and just gonna give you a little bit of suction in here. And you can close and open. Alright. Alright, so we're all done with the cleaning portion for you today.
Okay.
So we're just gonna take some measurements of your bone levels in there. Do you ever remember having something like that done before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think my last one we did that.
So basically, if this is like your tooth, then this is the root of your tooth. Ideally, we want our bone levels to sit here and our gums about right here. So what we're doing, measuring the distance from top of the gums to the top of the supporting bone of the teeth. Ideally, we want that number between 1 to 3 millimeters. That lets us know everything is nice and healthy in there. If plaque or tartar are getting under our gums and sitting on that supporting bone, what can happen is it actually starts to eat our bone away. And we start to see higher readings like 4s or 5s, kind of, and so on. So we'll take an initial reading for you today, and then we update it once a year so we can see if the numbers are staying the same or changing in there for you.
Okay.
Alright, so just gonna start up top. Alright, so now that we've taken the measurements in there, we're just gonna take some measurements of your gum levels as well to see if there's been any areas of recession, so we can also monitor that for you. Alright, so all done with that for you. So everything's looking nice and healthy in there. Bone levels are all between a 1, 2, or a 3, and we're not seeing any areas of recession in there for you. So we're just going to polish them. Alright, so just gonna start up top here for you. And then just some water here. chair up here for you. And would you like to do a fluoride rinse today?
Is that really necessary?
It's totally up to you, but fluoride is used to help replenish minerals in your teeth, so prevents decay and cavities and that sort of thing in your teeth.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll definitely do it then.
Alright, so with this, you're gonna take it, swish it for 1 minute. I will time you. When the minute's up, you can spit it back into the cup. Just make sure you don't swallow any of it. And after that, no eating or drinking for half an hour. So at 3:30, you can have something to eat and drink again.
Okay, perfect.
So you can go ahead there. Alright, and last thing before you go, we're just gonna book you back for your next appointment. So is it usually every 6 months you come back for your
Yes.
cleaning? Awesome. So we're gonna pre-book that appointment just so we don't lose you in the computer system.
Okay.
And then closer to the date, you'll get a reminder. So if you need to change the day or time, you can just give us a phone call.
Oh,
Great. So we'll put that in there, and we'll see you in 6 months.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome. Would you like a toothbrush to take home?
That would be wonderful, thank you.
So we'll give that to you there. All right. So we're just gonna take you out to the front.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All done?
All right.
Yes.
So we've just booked her back in 6 months. Nothing else to book back for.
Okay, great.
All right. Enjoy your day. See you.
Thanks.
Take care, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
So Dion, I've sent everything off to your insurance. It looks like you're paying 80%, so have you paid your 20%?
Woo woo!
Okay, well, thank you for coming and we'll see you in 6 months.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
Take care.